Every morning, the alarm goes off, and you think, 5 more minutes, just 5 more minutes. But then you look at the clock and you think, oh no, I need to get ready. I need to leave soon.
Yes, mornings can feel so busy. You wake up, you feel tired, you need to get dressed, you need to eat something, and you need to leave the house on time.
And maybe you're thinking, I don't have time. Everything feels like a rush.
But here's the good news. Today, we're going to talk about your morning routine, and we're going to practice the English you need. Simple English, real English for real mornings.
Hello, and welcome to Life English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here.
Life English is a place where you can practice real English, English for your daily life. We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we repeat things many times.
You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen, just practice, and be kind to yourself.
That's right, this is not a test. This is just practice, so relax, take your time, and let's talk about mornings.
So, Daniel, let's talk about mornings. What do you do every morning?
Well, first I wake up. My alarm goes off and I hear that sound, beep, 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 and I think, oh, not yet.
Yes, the alarm. I know that feeling. So you wake up, but do you get up right away?
No, not right away. I wake up, but I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up.
Okay, so there are two things here: wake up and get up. They're different.
Yes, wake up means your eyes open, you're not sleeping anymore. But get up means you leave the bed, you stand up.
Exactly. So I wake up at 6:30, but I get up at 6:45. I stay in bed for 15 minutes.
That's very common. Many people do that. It's okay. You wake up first, then you get up.
And what about the alarm? Do you turn off the alarm right away?
Yes, I turn off the alarm. I don't like that sound, so I turn it off quickly.
Me too. Turn off the alarm. That's an important phrase. Turn off. It means you stop something. You stop the alarm. You stop the sound.
Yes, turn off the alarm. Then I get up, then I start my morning routine.
Good. So let's talk about that routine. What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth. That's very important.
Yes, brush my teeth. Brush your teeth. This is something everyone does every morning.
Brush my teeth. I do this every day. It's part of my routine.
And after you brush your teeth,
After that, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. I choose something comfortable, maybe jeans, maybe a shirt.
get dressed. That means you put on your clothes. You change from your pajamas to your day clothes.
Exactly. Get dressed. I get dressed every morning. It's automatic. I don't think about it.
And what about breakfast? Do you have breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always have breakfast. I have coffee, I have toast, sometimes I have fruit.
Have breakfast. That's another important phrase. Have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. We use have for meals.
Yes, I have breakfast at home. I sit down, I eat slowly. It's a calm moment.
That sounds nice. I have breakfast too, but sometimes I'm in a rush, a morning rush.
Morning rush. Yes, this is when you feel like you don't have enough time. Everything feels fast. You need to hurry.
Exactly. Morning rush. Many people feel this, especially parents, parents with children.
Yes, if you have children, you have the school run.
School run. This is when parents take their children to school in the morning. It's very busy.
The school run. Wake the kids up, get them dressed, give them breakfast, pack their bags, then leave the house. It's a lot.
Yes, pack my bag or pack their bag. Pack means you put things inside a bag. books, lunch, everything you need.
Pack my bag. I pack my bag every morning. My laptop, my keys, my wallet.
Me too. I pack my bag before I leave. I don't want to forget anything.
And then finally, I leave the house. I close the door, I lock the door, and I go to work.
Leave the house. That's the final step. You leave, you go out. Your morning at home is finished.
Yes, leave the house. This is the last thing in the morning routine.
So let's review, because this is a lot of new phrases, and it's okay if you don't remember everything. Just listen, just practice.
Yes, let's go slowly. First, you wake up. You open your eyes.
Then you get up, you leave the bed.
You turn off the alarm. You stop that sound.
You brush your teeth in the bathroom.
You get dressed. You put on your clothes.
You have breakfast. You eat and drink something.
You pack your bag. You put your things inside.
And finally, you leave the house. You go to work or school.
That's the routine. Wake up, get up, turn off the alarm, brush your teeth, get dressed, have breakfast, pack your bag, leave the house.
And if you have children, you also do the school run, and maybe you feel the morning rush.
Yes, it's okay to feel busy. It's okay to feel tired in the morning. This is very common. You're not alone.
Now, let's practice. I'm going to describe my morning routine. Listen carefully. You can listen once, then pause, then listen again.
Yes, pause anytime you want. There's no rush.
Okay, here's my morning routine. I wake up at 6:30. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up at 6:45. I turn off the alarm. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. After that, I go to the kitchen. I have breakfast. I have coffee and toast. Then I pack my bag. I put my laptop inside. I put my keys inside. I check everything. Then I leave the house at 7:30.
Perfect. That was clear. That was simple. Did you understand?
If you didn't understand everything, that's okay. Listen again. Repeat the sentences out loud. Practice.
Now let's hear a short conversation. Two people talking about their morning. Listen.
Ready?
Yes,
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I need more time in the morning.
Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I always have breakfast. I have coffee and fruit.
Me too. I can't leave the house without breakfast.
And what time do you leave?
I leave at 8 o'clock. I don't like the morning rush.
Good. That was a simple conversation. Two people talking about mornings.
You can practice this too. Pause the video, say the sentences out loud, change the times, change the details, make it your routine.
Yes, this is your practice, your English, your morning.
Before we continue, we want to say something quickly.
If this video is helping you, please click the like button. It really helps us.
And if you want more calm English practice, subscribe to Life English. We make videos like this every week.
And if you know someone learning English, share this video with them. Let's practice together.
Okay, thank you. Now let's keep going.
Let's review the key phrases one more time, slowly. Listen and repeat if you want.
Wake up.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Get up.
Get up. I get up and leave the bed.
Turn off the alarm.
Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm quickly.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning.
Get dressed.
Get dressed. I get dressed before breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. I have breakfast at home.
Pack my bag.
Pack my bag. I pack my bag with everything I need.
Leave the house.
Leave the house. I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
Morning rush.
Morning rush. I don't like the morning rush.
School run.
School run. Parents do the school run every morning.
Excellent. Those are the key phrases. You can use them every day.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just practice. Just try.
Now we have a question for you. This is practice.
We want you to write one sentence in the comments. Just one. In English.
Here's the question. What time do you wake up?
That's all. Just tell us. What time do you wake up?
You can write something simple, like, I wake up at 7 o'clock,
Or, I wake up at 6:30.
or I wake up early.
Any answer is good. This is practice, not a test.
So pause the video if you want, write your sentence, then come back.
We love reading your comments. It helps us understand you better.
Okay, we're almost finished. Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
You did great. You listened, you learned new phrases, and that's wonderful.
Remember, mornings are busy, but now you have the English to talk about them.
Wake up, get up, turn off the alarm, brush your teeth, get dressed, have breakfast, pack your bag, leave the house.
These are your phrases. Use them, practice them every morning.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn.
You're doing great. Keep practicing. Keep listening.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.